In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Instagram messages not sending. If you're having trouble sending messages on Instagram, here are a few quick steps you can try to fix the issue. First solution is to restart the Instagram app. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and fully close the app. Reopen it and try sending the message again. Second solution, check for updates. Go to the App Store or Play Store. Search for Instagram and see if an update is available. If so, update the app and check if the issue is resolved. If everything else fails, reinstall Instagram. If the problem continues, tap and hold the Instagram app icon, choose Remove App, and delete it. Then reinstall Instagram from the App Store. Log in again and test messaging. Check server status. It could be a temporary server problem. In this case, wait for Instagram to fix it. That's it. One of these steps should help you get your Instagram messages working again.